Trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of the KCX indicator. Now, I'm supposed to do this like a Super Tuesday thingy, but apparently it's all right. I'm going to leave Cambodia soon, so I won't have the access to do have my internet. So that's why I'm doing this right now, so that you guys can benefit from it itself. But same thing again, whatever I share later is our disclaimer apply as usual. We don't want you to do it without doing your risk assessment. Yeah. Okay. So all is clear, and let us now go into the KCX itself. Okay, so what is the KCX? KCX was created for one thing only. It's meant for the bull market. All right, KCX is created for the bull market. All right. So can everybody see my gold chart right now? Gold chart. Can you all see it? If yes, press the next number. That will be number 6. Can you see my gold chart? If yes, press number 6. Hello, everybody. Can y'all hear me loud and clear? If can, press number 6 right now. Okay, thank you very much. Now the thing is just the internet is really bad today, yeah. Okay, all right. So we're going to concentrate on what is KCX. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing here, everyone. Let's take it that now I ask you to look at this chart here. This is a gold chart, right? Can you pick for me the market bottom of this entire trend right now? So probably you're going to put it one over here, agreeable. Then you put one maybe around here, okay, the lowest point. And then you maybe put one over here, okay? And then you put one over here. Okay, got my point now? So basically, right, I gave you the luxury of putting a vertical line at the lowest point. So that means that take it that you know the past, and then you revise and you go reverse backward, right? Okay. So with this understanding right now, just give a minute, yeah? There's some, hold on, got a message coming in. Oh gosh, so tiring. Just give me a moment, guys. Shortly. Okay, thanks. Okay, so what we do is that we put a vertical line at all the lowest point of the market. So the question is this: what is an indicator? An indicator has to repeat itself over and over again, and it'll give me the precision of this. Okay, so now everyone take a look. Yeah, I push my chart to the right side. You follow me to do this exercise. You will love it. Okay, I push it to the first area whereby I've just put the vertical line earlier, right? And then after that, I lift my KSI up a little bit because this is not the main point. The KCX is the one that I want to show to you right now. Now, can you see that right now on the screen? Do you see that the KCX turning green? Turning green. Okay, the KCX turning green before the vertical line, turning green. Can you see that? Yeah, turning green down there. So what does it work? It means like this. Yeah? It's like when you are traveling itself, right, on a straight road, and if you want to turn left, you will actually show the left signal first. Then you filter to the left side of the market of the road. So this KCX, when it's blinking, it's telling you that the selling has come to a point of a little bit too much. Okay, but if you look at the KCX, look at the one that at the bottom of screen right now, you can see that the KCX is still stretching downwards, right? The KCX green color area still getting lower. Can you see that? If you can see that, please press the next number 7 right now. Okay, can you see that? Okay, So when the price is coming down and the KCX is still declining and the green area get longer and longer, that means the selling is still continuing, but we are almost near to the end of the selling. Almost to the end, yeah? So on the flip side, so as long as we see that the green area gets smaller, retracing smaller, then that is where the market most likely will rebound. Most likely will rebound. And if the market will rebound, what will naturally happen is that look out for the color to switch over from red to yellow on the candlestick. Now, if all clear, press number 8. If all clear, press number 8. Okay, all right. So now follow me and you'll love this segment for today, yeah? All right, while we're talking itself, there's some retracement on the US Dow Jones, not too sure what happened between, but it is according to my plan, so it's fine. And I can receive a few messages here and there from people who texting me at the same time right now. And they're telling that I'm doing Zoom. And okay, yeah, so watch everybody. Look at this here. Okay, I clear my screen a little bit. And then you see for yourself. Can you see? So that's how we put the luxury of putting a vertical line at where the lowest point is. So I think as if that we all know the future. And you can see from here itself, right, my friends, okay, that the market, the KCX really retraced in terms of green area. The green area really retraced. And then after that, I told you, once you see the market turns from this red to yellow, it will be a strong buy. Okay, and of course by the time that happen, confirm for sure there will be a blue diamond. So when you see a blue diamond, what you do, you just put a line at the closing price with the blue diamond, and then you see for yourself. Look at the gold price itself. Beautiful, excellent, right? And you look at it, right, it's so beautiful that as if that the market know exactly where to be supported, and then the market goes up. Cool, right? Understand this? If you understand what I just say, press number 9 right now. If you understand what I just say, press number 9 right now. Okay, excellent. So now let's read and try. So I repeat, an indicator must be time tested. An indicator must be able to tell you things that will help you in trading. So now we're going to continue by doing this right now and look at the next vertical line later. So we stretch and move, and then, okay, we have the next vertical line on the screen. Can you see that? And again, the market turns green way above, way before it turns the low. So that means when the market was trading around this area, the KCX already turns green color. And then after it retrace, can you see it retrace at the bottom? Okay, I change the color a little bit, not very clear here. Okay. And then after that, I told you right, once you see the thing from red to yellow, put a horizontal line at the closing price. Now you only buy when the market stays above the white line. We already said this many times before, and we can see that again. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Is it beautiful? Is it scary? What you're doing right now is right. You give yourself ample notice when around this area, and you know what to trade, and then what to do when the market stays above the line. And you can see that the market stays above the line very nicely over here by breaking the white line and then recover and stay above it. And that is a very strong buy signal. Can you see that? You can see that, press number 10 right now. So again and again, I show you guys a TN technical analysis when it has to repeat itself over and over again. It has to be simple, easy, and most important, it has to be consistent so that the traders all can see it. All right, I'm not too sure if you're listening to me right now because I don't see your replies coming in. Oh dear. Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Oh gosh, this is bad. Oh, okay. I can see Disha putting 10. I hope that is because You all can hear me loud and clear, understand what I'm trying to say. If not, don't worry, it's still on recording. The most is that I will send it to you all later when you all watch this itself. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna fast forward the tape, and you can see for the next few time, the KCX, right, in this case itself, did not turn green color, but undeniable, the one I just showed to you right just now, the KCX from blue turns upwards. From blue turns upwards. Can you see that? So what you need to do is just strategize the same thing, red to yellow, red to yellow. Now, because they didn't have KCX turning green, right, the diamond will not appear. The diamond needs the KCX to turn green first, then from color change from red to yellow, then the diamond appear. But if the market is generally bullish, right, the KCX is hard to read. So when you see a blue turning, that means that you see this blue turnover, you just look for the next CCRY to buy, and the answer will still be the same. All right, got it, guys? If you got it, self press number 111 right now. So of course, if you think that okay, that is for bull market, then for bear market, then how? Now for bear market, it's actually the same logic. If it's really a bear market, right, you just have to do the other way around, okay, which is like this. Let me just show it to you right now. So the bear market, let's say crude oil is in a bear market, right? It's very clear, crude oil bear market. So what you will see is the opposite direction. Okay, so very simple. So again, I'm going to tell you this, yeah. Where are the turning points in the market? It'll be here, right? Recently, the start of the selling of the crude oil. Okay, it's all this area here. All right, I give you the top point first to show you to you. So how does it work, right? Very simple. You can see that. Then the market basically is running up. The KCX will be black in color, right? But if it's a bear market, the moment it turns to blue, you can start to sell already. Can you see that? And of course, the color must change from yellow to red. Okay, got it? All right. So you can see that again over here from black turns to blue, and then the KCX from the market from red turns yellow turns to red. Bang, the market sell down already. Can you understand this? So what we do is that when the market is bearish, we will take black turns to blue, and then the color on top must change from red to yellow. Sorry, from yellow to red, and that's where we sell. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press the next number right now. I think that you may not be able to hear this anymore. I think there's some transmission issue right now. I'll basically put up this video and send all to you. Okay, thank you very much. Take care, and I'll watch the video again. Bye bye.